Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So in this video we are going to make random ball bounce game. So let's start. To make random ball bounce game, first we need to go to code.org. After going to code.org, we need to sign in. After signing in, we need to click on create, then app lab. Now go to design, take this button and drop it at the top left corner of the screen, and then write here play, add the text and name the ID as play button. Okay, now we need to click on this screen this 2 times. Okay. Now we need to write here black. Now I need to go to, and now I need to take a ABC label and drop it here. Change the width of it and height. To 30. So now scroll down and change the text color to red. Yes, now one more time scroll down and change the font size. Now type here score. Now click on this text and type here score. Now change the width of it because it's not coming. Now height. Now I change the font size because it's looking very much small. Now change the position of the. Now take a text area and drop it here. Change the width and height of the. Now height. Yes. Now we need to take a button. Now we need to scroll down at the text and now change the font size. Okay. So let's step. Okay, the font size is perfect. Now we need to change the text color of it to any color. To change the color, first we need to click here and then we need to scroll this slider to take any color which we want. I want a blue color, so I will take it here and then click here at the top right corner. So let's check the color. Okay. Now we need to take a button and drop it here. Empty this text. Change the width to 50, height to 50. Scroll down. Change the background color to red. Scroll down, then click here on the border radius and then type here 50. Now one more time we need to take a button, drop it here Scroll up, empty this text, change the width to 50, height also to 50, scroll down, change the background color to green, now scroll down and then type at the border radius 50. Now change the position, scroll up and take this button and drop it here. Now empty the text, change the width to 50, height to 50, scroll down, change the background color to you can change the background color to yellow. Now scroll down, change the border radius to 50. Now change the position. Now we need to go to code and then take this on event and drop it here and then click on this ID and then select here button 1 and then go to variables, take this var x is equal to and drop it here, then type here score, add the x, type here 0. Now we need to go to UI controls. Now we need to scroll down, and then take this set position and drop it here and then select here and then click on this ID and select button 2. Now we need to go to math, take this random number and drop it here and then 6x27. Now we can type here 10 and then here 300 and then we need to one more time take this random number and drop it here and then type here and then we can type here 10 to 400. Now we need to type here 50, then here also 50. Yes, now we need to go to your controls, take set position block, one more time take set position and drop it here, change this second set position ID to button 3 and then the third set position 1 to button 4. Now we need to go to math, take random number and drop it here, one more time take random number and drop it here, one more time take random number, drop it here, one more take random number and drop it here. Now type here 20 and here 290 and then we need to type here 20 and here 390 and then here 50, here also 50 and then we need to type here 30 and then here 280. Here also 30 and 280. Sorry, we need to type here 380. Now type here 50 and here also 50. Okay, now we need to go to your controls and scroll up and take on event and drop it here, and then select here button 2 and 10 to click, and then we need to take this click at the variable x is equal to, and then drop it here, type here score is equal to, now we need to go to math and then take this plus first operator, and then at here we need to type score and here 1. Okay, now we need to go to your controls, take on event and drop it here. One more time take on event and drop it here. Change this one, click on this ID and change it to button 3. Then go to variables, take x is equal to, drop it here, change this x to score. Now we need to go to math, take this first operator and then drop it here and type here score, and then here also 1. And then we need to click at this ID and then select button 4. And then we need to go to variables, where x is equal to, and drop it here, and then type here score. Now we need to go to math, take this plus and drop it here, type here score plus 1. Now we need to go to UI controls and then take the set number and drop it below the var score is equal to 0, and then click on this ID and select here text area 1. We need to select here text area 1. Yes. Now at the 0 we need to type here score. And now one more time take this set number and then drop it here. Click on this ID, change it to button 2. Oh sorry, no, we need to change it to text area 1, and then at 0 we need to type score. One more time take this set number and then drop it here. One more time set number and drop it here. Now click on this ID and select button 3. Sorry, text area 1, and click on this one ID. Select text area 1 and type here score. And here also score. So let's check is our game working or not. Yes, it's working, but it is not bouncing, but it's not changing its position. So we need to click on reset and then go to controls and then scroll down and then take this time loop block and, and then drop it drop it below the set number and then take these all three set position blocks in the time loop. Okay, now let's check is our game working or not. Yes, it's working, but it's changing its position very fast. So we can type here 1050, 1500. So let's check now it's working or not. Yes, our game is working. So now we can rename it. To rename it, we need to click on rename and rename it as random ball bounce game. Now we can click on save. I will also give this project's link in the description. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.